Garden Courtyard, Pátio, Jardim, Hana drawn away, son fin fall. Another slice of Macau, Courtyard named Garden, Pátio do Jardim, Jardim. Just another slice of Macau.
In my effort to film every street in Macau, I think there's still some that I haven't filmed. I think this is one of them. I don't even know if I've walked down it, but I've walked around it. It's just a little street that goes just from here to here. And then there's some other still cool stuff in these alleys. There's like Sewell Street. So I'll probably meander around a little bit, but we're gonna focus on this one to start with. So this is called Pátio do Jardim. Okay, another slice of Macau up on the map. Jardim Courtyard. This one is Jardim is garden, so basically there must have been some kind of garden in this part of Macau, and the street when it was created, this courtyard was probably named after that. But there's not much else I know about that. That's just going from the name. The Chinese name is also the same, like a garden enclosement. Anyways, doesn't matter because we're gonna walk down the street no matter what, and we're gonna show it as if you were there yourself. So let's check this place out. Okay, so let's walk. So that's going to be our focus street right down that way. Pátio do Jardim. We're probably going to explore a little bit here. There's like something called Sul and Norte. So Sul is south and Norte is north. Jardim right here is called garden. So this is garden courtyard. And it's quite small. So I think what we're going to do first is I think I'm going to kind of wrap around and come back to here because if somebody does want to see this particular courtyard, you'll want to see it first. Like this name in English is called Garden Court. So even this little thing is called. And then we just kind of do some typical stuff that's Macau. So you have the Chinese characters and you also have the Portuguese. So they're talking about exports and pharmaceutical products. Okay, so let me just give the full. So it looks like there's engineering company. There's like lots of little companies. So let's just go around like that, and then we're gonna come back around. So we'll kind of go in a little circle kind of thing. And so yeah, I'm pretty sure it's first time to film this street. But I know this area because I filmed it before. I filmed all around it. But sometimes there'll be these tiny little streets that you don't even really think about. And this is one of them. We'll just go all the way down to the end first before we go into the apartment. Bunch of bikes parked here. So we're gonna go around the block in a moment. Here's a place to get some food. So that's all right here as well. So let me see. So this would be our focus street, but we're going to be going around like that and then go back to this. Before we do, we have a little park right here. It's another patio, so I just filmed that one recently. And then that's going to be the corner. That this kind of goes towards Commerce Park to the left, that direction, and this way goes towards the ocean. So we are going to come back in a moment. Oh. Check out all these apartments. So you have all these cage ones on the corner. They have like kind of monopolize all the corner ones. It's kind of cool. It's got layers. So you got this apartment and there's another one behind it as well. Okay, so we are going to kind of walk around the block slightly. That's going to be our focus street right there. Garden, Courtyard. Let me just see. So we can't walk there, but there's that apartment, that business has that whole space. You got the park down that way. All these kind of interesting buildings. Okay, so this one would ultimately go up towards Kamoish Park, and there's a beautiful temple up there as well. And we're gonna meander till we get around to our street again. And we'll just kind of capture what we can capture. It's kind of interesting, right? It's like the towering, the way these apartments up near the top, they kind of get closer and closer together. So they all kind of stick out, right? So you can see that, and then they have all those little balconies that go up. Okay, so we're going to be going down this one called Hua Norte in a moment. And then that way we're going to go back to our street, which is like Garden Street. So our block is kind of like that yellow building right there is ours. We're going to go down there in a second. But what I want to do first is I just want to go down and take a look at this yellow building real quick. I've always thought this building is kind of cool too, the way it kind of sticks out like that. So it kind of sticks out a little bit like the other one. Okay, so let's get back down to our, we go down this way this time. So it's kind of cool. Going around from the top of the car. So that Target Street is down that way, that yellow one, and it's down that way. So we're gonna go around first on North Street. And then later there'll be a South Street. So we're on North Street, and then we're gonna go back down to Garden Courtyard. Let's see. Is that a dead end? I don't know if that's a dead end or not. I think this is gonna be a dead end. But you can see that's one of those tall buildings that... Okay, let's go back. So I think we're going to be going... Haven't really seen this one. It's up all the ruins, it says. Carpentator. Okay, so just kind of checking out. There's a lot of small little alleys because there's a lot of history in this area. So a lot of these streets have been here a long time. But I think now we're on like something that was more reclaimed land. Okay, so we're gonna walk back towards the Garden Street. You can smell the seafood, and I think that this is gonna turn left or right. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's like the second courtyard of the garden. Okay, and then this is actually the Sewell, so South Street. So we had Norte, which is North Street, and then we have Sewell, which is South Street. And then we're gonna, then we also had like the first garden, Segunda. I think I saw Tercera, like 3rd Street of the garden, courtyard. But we're gonna go back down to the courtyard itself, which I think we can get to. I don't know, maybe that street's a little bit hidden. Let's see if we can find that Garden Street again. That street might be a little bit hidden. Let me see. We'll see if we can get it to it on this one. We'll go left in a moment and we'll see. I think it might. Let's see. See, I think I did everything I could to stay. Well, anyways, I might not get back to the Garden Street. I think the way that the layout is, it's like not quite, isn't quite going to take us there. But you still get to see all the stuff around it. And it's kind of interesting as well. So let's just go all the way to the end of the street. We can get a view of Macau and some of the stuff around our target street. And then we'll come to an end if we, regardless if we find it or we don't find it. Okay. Let's see if we... Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna go back to it now. Yeah, and somehow we couldn't, we weren't able to get all the way to where we wanted to go. But yeah, this is our target street. Because of that building. Right there. So you can see the name right there. Right there. So and we're gonna end our video. Pretty cool. Okay. Garden.